Hello, everyone, and welcome. Thank you for joining us today at the Unite What's in It for Me webinar series for Unite students. For those who are not familiar with uh, Unite, uh, Unite is an alliance of 9 leading European universities united by a shared vision of advancing innovation, sustainability, and cross-border collaboration in research, technology, and education. So for this webinar on summer courses, we are pleased to have Thomas Gams from TU Graz, who will present the European Summer School in High Pressure Technology. And afterwards, we will hear from Kristina Komorowska from Wrocław University of Science and Technology, who will tell us about the 3E Plus Summer School. Throughout the webinar, you are welcome to submit questions using the question and answer section. We will make sure to pass them along to the panelists so they can address them. And without further delay, I'll hand the floor to Thomas.
Okay, hello everyone. I just want to free my presentation. Do you see it?
Perfect.
Okay, so what I would like to present is this European Erasmus Blended Intensive Program, the European Summer School in High Pressure Technology, which has a very long history already. I just want to report about the last year course, which took place from 7 to 20 of July at Graz University. And by this, in total, we had 34 students participating, 23 students funded by Erasmus plus additional 11 students which didn't get Erasmus Plus funding, but which paid a registration fee for this course. We had a very equal distribution of 16 female, 18 male students. And a very interesting number is that from these 34 students, we had 15 different nationalities, because even students coming from Spain, Germany, they are originally from completely different countries. Further on, we had 22 teachers which were giving the lectures, and they were also coming from 14 universities, and also we had 2 companies included, and also with this you see also 11 different nationalities within these teachers. In total, we had 33 lectures starting at 8:30 until 5 o'clock. And we had also included 2 intermediate exams where students had to do some group work. Further on, we made one excursion to Maribor, where you see the photos there. And we also had an excursion to 2 companies, to Natex Process Technology and Innovelt, which are leading companies in the field of high pressure technology for engineering and designing the plants. And we also had one guided tour through Graz, so that students and professors got familiar with the city. Further on, all the students had to give a presentation, 10-minute presentation on their PhD work. And before, they had to send me an abstract, and all these abstracts were published in a book of abstract. So they also had one publication when participating to this summer school. After the presence phase, there was also for 1 month an online phase. And during this online phase, the students had to work out a project work on a given topic from the summer school. Always 5 students per group were involved. And I also combined them that they are from different universities. So they had to organize themselves. The effective workload within this 1 month was approximately 3 to 4 days where they had to work on this project. And finally, the mark from the project work plus the mark from the intermediate exam resulted in the final mark, and they received then a certificate signed by all the teachers which gave the lectures. And it's also stating that 5 ECTS credits are delivered for this for this summer school, and these are all accepted by the participating universities. Also this year, the course is already in organization. So you see it's nearly the same period, 6th of July until 19th of July. And additionally, also again, this online phase. Up to now, I have 35 students. That year much more funded by Erasmus Plus, but already also 5 additional students, and in total 24 teachers. Registration is still open until 9th of April. And if someone wants to have any information, further information, how to apply or which costs for the additional students, please just contact me. So this was just a short overview, short introduction into my summer school.
Please feel free to send your questions in case you want to ask something to Thomas through the Q&A section. Otherwise, we will move to the next summer school. Thank you very much, Thomas, to accompany us. Christina, please, the floor is yours.
Hello, everyone. Now I will try to show you my presentation. Okay, can you see it? Can you see it?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, great. So once more, hello, everyone. I'm Krystyna. I'm from Wrocław Tech, Wrocław University of Science and Technology. And I'm here to invite you all to 3E Plus Summer School in wonderful city of Wrocław. 3E Plus stands for Energy, Excellence, and Excitement, which really defines our courses. Interesting thing about my town and my university is that Wrocław was a German town before World War II. And Lviv was a Polish city. After the war, when new borders were defined, people from Lviv, many people from Lviv, came here to Wrocław to live and work. So did the professors of two Lviv universities, and they started Polish Polytechnic instead of German technical school. In addition to traditions and historical buildings we have on our campus, we also have very modern ones. And we have the very modern feature, I think as only one in Europe, we have Polinka cable car. It is used by students and employees to move from one side of Odra River to the other, because our campus is located on both sides of Odra River. It is also very interesting for tourists and for citizens. We have a very nice and modern digital library for students when they can study. There's a lot of place. There are even single rooms, so they can use quiet and learn, and also bigger rooms for the projects. We also have the cultural zone when they can have a bite and chill out after hard work. At my university, we have 14 faculties. So there is a lot of branches to choose from if you decide to study here. Of course, we have a baby faculty. It's a faculty of medicine. It's been open 2 years ago. Not on every faculty, but on 8 of them, we will have summer school courses. All the courses will be conducted in a hybrid formula. So 1 week will be online and 2 weeks will be on site here in beautiful Wrocław. All courses but one, Smart Engineering with LabVIEW, will be 2 weeks online and just 1 week on site. All courses will be conducted, of course, in English by fine young scientists who really enjoy sharing their knowledge. And for each of the course, you can earn 4 CTS points. You will get certificate, of course, to confirm that. The price for the school is 1,000 euro for Unite students. We have a special price for Unite students if you apply before April 15th. So it will be just 1,000 euro. My advice is to check at your international office because maybe you can have a scholarship, short mobility scholarship available. We do have part online, so in case everything is okay if it comes to short mobility scholarships. You will be able to stay at our dormitory if you want to. You don't have to. It will be paid separately, around 250 euros more. The exact price I will know probably in 2 weeks. The deadline, the whole deadline for the application is end of the May. And of course, after your hard work and your studying, you will have a lot of fun also. You will have 2 all-day trips in Lower Silesia region where Wrocław is located. It's very interesting region because we have mountains, we have lakes, we have everything here. So we will have for you 2 all-day trips. We also will have for you some welcome surprise and some bye-bye surprise. And you can see on the pictures that we had a fun last year. And now I would like to show you some short movie. Oh, sorry. Okay, and I think this is everything I can say more is make up your mind, apply for 3E summer school. This QR code will guide you to our summer school website. And of course, please feel free to contact us, me and my team at events. Thank you very much.
Remember that now you can answer questions to both Christina or Thomas. So don't be shy, or otherwise you can. Oh, okay, now. Sorry, I'm having issues with my video.
It's one question that students have to be present during the summer school. Yes, it is in this case because in my case, all the presentations are given in presence by the professors coming here. And I know from the last 30 years, more or less now, that especially besides the transfer of knowledge, it's the more equal, or for me also very important point is that students coming together, spending 2 weeks of a very intensive time, because it's not only during the course, but also in the evenings and in the weekend, and they really become friends. And this friendship lasts for, I know from several participants, that they are still in contact, even they participated 10, 15 years ago. So especially this social aspect for me is also very important, because later on you do not know where all the other participating students, the colleagues will work. And if you stay in contact, maybe you have some question and then you know he's working at this company. If I need something, it's always much better. And especially during PhD or later on, someone is asking, I'm going to this conference, who will join there? Can we meet? Yeah. So, and this is the reason. We had once a course which was done only online because of Corona. And the interesting point, the year after that, 8 students from a university participated again because they mentioned during this online course they were missing the most important point, and this was getting in contact with all the other students. So
Okay,
use this
thank you.
opportunity.
Thank you, Thomas. I have a question for both. Are those summer schools available for bachelor's, master, and PhD students, or only focused on one of the profiles?
Well, if it comes to 3E summer school, it's available for everyone.
Okay.
In my case, because we need a certain basic knowledge in chemical engineering processes, it's related to PhD students or late master students.
Great.
But bachelor students, we had the response that for them it was too specific that they cannot follow, they cannot follow the lectures.
Okay, so in the case of high pressure technology for master degree and PhD students, and in the case of the Wrocław tech offerings for all of them. Now that's something that might be of interest for the attendees to know. Okay, so if we don't have more questions, I would like to thank you both for joining us and give us an overview about your offerings. And thank you also to the attendees. Please be sure to follow Unite's Instagram account to stay updated on all the students' offerings. And it has been a pleasure to having you here. Remember, applications for all the programs are now open. We also had presentations of other summer schools in the morning session that will be available online because we recorded them. So let's keep in touch, and please answer this short poll so we are able to continue improving and trying our best to keep you posted about the offerings within the Unite Alliance. Thank you very much.